welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going through a haul of N13 parts I found in the lockup. Hopefully this should fix a few problems like the windscreen wiper and the central locking. So let's have a closer look. So first of all, you can see I've actually found what appears to be a central locking motor for the driver's side. The only thing that's different is the actual wiring is different. It's got 4 wires on this, so I'm thinking it's going to be open and unlock with the 2 power lines and then a switch and an earth, I think. But there's only actually 2 wires on the actual loom, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of modifying on that. But I also found this one here, but I don't know if this is for a boot or maybe a boot system, a boot unlock, because that might work as well. And that's only got the 2 wires, or 3 wires I should say, and the earth. So I'm going to try both of these. This will probably come up in the next video when it's a little bit warmer in the garage, because it's absolutely freezing again today. That's why I'm in the workshop. I think at least one of these will probably do it. And I had a look online to buy these as well, and they're ridiculous expensive. I think it's like 75 quid just for one of these mechanisms, and it comes from Europe as well. It doesn't actually come from this country. I'm more than positive I think this one will probably do the job. All it's got to do is just open it and close. It's not a massively complicated system. And the other things I've also found are a couple of dash clocks. This was originally in the Nissan many years ago. As you can see, it's got the old fake carbon fibre vinyl on it. I think I got this from a Breakers a long time ago because it's got the writing on the back. So I'm going to check that, see if that works, because the one I've got in the car now only works intermittent. So I think there's a break in the circuit somewhere. And I've also found another one. So I'm going to try this one as well. I think this was from the ZX. So I'm going to give this a go as well. It's pretty clean, this one actually. So I'm hoping this works as well. That'd be nice to have that feature, because I really like the clocks on these, but they are renowned for failing at the back of the circuit. I think there's somebody on the owners clubs actually found a way of fixing these. So hopefully I'll be able to sort it out that way as well, if not. So that's a nice little haul. It did take me about a good 3 or 4 hours to find all these parts. They were just lying about in different boxes I didn't think I still had. So I did get rid of quite a few parts quite recently. And another part I found is another S13 throttle body. It's in pretty good nick actually. Needs a good clean, of course. So I may clean this up and polish it, because the one I've got on there now is red. And I'd like to polish it and make it all mirror finish. I'll be showing you how to do mirror finish chrome polishing, or chrome style polishing on aluminium in an upcoming video. I've actually started it here. You've seen that. That's a little, it's just starting to get through to a nice shine. Well, that's coming up in another video. You may see a little preview on one of the shorts I've got on the channel. So that'll be coming up probably next week. Another little piece I've got is another cold start valve. So that's just a backup, because the one I've got on there now is actually working perfectly. Touch wood. It seems to be working really well. So at least I've got a backup on that. I've also found a couple of nice throttle position sensors, because I think mine is on its way out because it's not actually picking up the throttle properly. Either that, it needs proper adjusting, because the actual throttle response isn't as good as it should be really. It's a little bit hesitant, it's not as responsive as I want it to be. So that'll be a nice little thing to test as well. But on there, this one's been cut by the look of it and rewired. Maybe next time. I'll just check if these are actually the same part number. I think they are. I just can't quite see that one. So 917. Does need a really good clean. So I'll go over it and clean it all up. And that one's not. So that's different. They are actually different part numbers. That's interesting. So they look pretty much the same. Well, we can try it, see what happens. Again, that's that's probably saved me a couple £100 there on the extra parts, which I like. I've also found door lock timer. I think mine's okay in there. There's a part number on that as well if you're interested. I think mine's okay on in the car at the moment. Again, that's a nice little backup stock. I'll check all that as well when we get back round to the door lock. I'm trying to fix the actual door lock. Another piece I found is a really nice piece. This is the original wiper motor from when it was a saloon. As you can see, it's absolutely filthy, so it needs a really good clean and refurb. But I'm hoping this will align better with the original mechanism, because like I said before in the previous video, the mechanism is still the saloon mechanism where it's the ZX motor. I don't know if that's going to make a difference, but this might be slightly clocked the wrong way on the ZX one, so hopefully this will line up properly and get the wiper to sit in the right place. So we'll give this a go. We'll test it all, clean it all up, and see if it works. It looks absolutely disgusting, doesn't it? A bit of chrome vinyl there. It's filthy dirty. So we'll clean all this up in another video as well and try that. I think hopefully that should fix the problem. I think there's a guy on the ZX or the N13 Owners Club said to try another motor, and that hopefully should fix the problem. So a couple of screws missing there as well, but that's easily fixed. Try that as well. Looks like it's been apart. I can't remember taking this apart. But it's the original one from the original car, so I've had the car a long time, so it could have been taken apart at some point. Okay, so it's another little thing we can get into in another video, clean all that up and make it look nice. And I also found a few missing parts as well. I think these are the rear seatbelt cover mounts, and I'm missing those, so hopefully they'll just clip on, good clean again. They are actually grey, not black, which is fine, so that matches the interior nicely, and a floor rail cover as well, so I'll clip that on as well. Don't know what that clip's from. Maybe throttle cable clip, something like that. But that's not something I really want, but I'll keep it anyway. So there's another thing I can clean up and work on, which I'm quite looking forward to. I found a few odds and sods as well. There's a handle, spare door handle, which is nice. Nice N13 handle, pretty clean and nice. Got the bolts on the back as well, the nuts on the back. I also got them here, I actually checked in the bag to see what's the handles. Another busted lot. Oh, this must be from the door I got for the replacement, because the other one was rusty. That's alright. Yeah. No winder. And a few little cables and things. These are nice, interesting, keeping the original zinc bolts. Oh, they're nice. Yeah, I'd like to have those. I've got a nice little find, the old rubber trim clips. So I'll clean all those up and put them in my trim box. And a door pin. Excellent stuff. Looks like a nice little find as well. Original bolts. I like to keep the original bolts. I do replace as many as I can with stainless, but some things like these, you can't get a decent stainless in this version yet anyway. And these clips are getting quite hard to find now. Okay, so nice little haul, I think. Nice little few bits and pieces. I'll pull these away. There's your retaining clip, can't lose that. If anybody wants a if anybody wants a window winder arm, just give me a shout. I'll send it out to you, just pay the postage, don't want anything for it. I'll whack them in there. I think some of the very, very base models came with the actual manual windows. Because even mine was a base model, and that came with electric windows. It was strange. And it was classed as a Pulsar, so maybe that was just a trim level for that. Okay. So as you can see, nice. I forgot to put that in the back. So these are the ones. These are the parts I'm most interested in. Is trying to sort that central locking out. So that'll be coming up in another video, probably, I don't know, next week or so I should think. Hopefully get some heat into the garage, so we get into the cold time of year. So I can just sit and play about with that, but I'm thinking this one's going to work the best. Also got to find the metal bar connecting rod, because I haven't got that. I can always fabricate something like that up. So I think you'll agree, a nice little haul of parts there, some quite rare parts there. Hopefully, like I said before, it's going to fix a few little problems in the Nissan, so that'll be coming up in a couple of weeks' time. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'd like to thank all the new subscribers who've joined the channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do, because there's a lot more content coming up in the next couple of months. So I hope you all have a great Christmas. Make sure you stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. 1, 2, and I'll see you soon.